Cramoni's primary school acknowledges the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders, past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every state of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing of birds Australia fair.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. Well, my first message is to report that, again, we have a group of Year 6 students attending the Woorabinda camp. I've been speaking to the campers every day, and they're having an absolute fantastic time. They said, doing some wonderful activities such as the canoeing and flying fox, some great bushwalks, enjoying some great food during the day, and enjoying sharing bunk rooms with their friends. So congratulations, students. The camp manager did contact me and say not only with Camp A and Camp B, our Year 6 students are absolutely fantastic children. So well done, everybody. Well, my next message is to let you know that our Year 5 and Year 6 students attended Shrek, the musical, produced by or put on by Cranbourne East Secondary College, and again, well, wonderful activity, and a big congratulations to all the students at Cranbourne East Secondary College. Today is National Tree Planting Day. Mrs. Sliverman's been very, very busy with some teachers and us sustainability captains, preparing gratitude garden, refurbishing the garden. You'll notice there's some new mulch there, rock border around the outside of the garden, and we're going to see lots and lots of trees and shrubs planted in that area. So well done, everybody. The school looks absolutely fantastic. A very special place, the Gratitude Garden. One person I would like to thank, and that is a person by the name of Damien. Damien works at the school here, and he's known as an on-site service assistant, an OSA. And Damien works very, very hard, keeping the school very tidy, very neat, very clean, and fixing all the things that we need fixed around the school. So if you see Damien around the place, please make sure you say, "Hi, Damien," and just thank you for all your work. Colour Explosion Fun Run. Well, many students by now have received their prizes. And before I sign off today, I want to say there's a really exciting announcement this time next week. I can't tell you any more. I can't share anything. You'll have to tune into our online assembly. My final message is just a reminder, everybody, please make sure you read every single day. Find somewhere comfortable, somewhere relaxing, enjoy something that you enjoy reading. You may like to read to yourself, even read to a family member, or even read to a pet. And finally, just a reminder, everybody, when you are riding bikes or scooters to school or home, even on weekends, please ensure you wear a helmet. Absolutely fantastic to see our students wearing helmets, and it's great to see they have the chin strap securely fastened. I always make a point when I'm in the grounds of saying thank you to our students who are wearing helmets, and especially when they are wheeling their bikes through the school grounds. So keep up the good effort, everyone. Well, that's all from me this week. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you around the school. Bye now.
Next week's SWPBS goals are: we work independently when directed. We are quiet when others are working. Guys, we work independently.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Pratha.
That's so funny. Guys, we're quiet when we're working.
My name is Asa, and a hi is Salam, and a bye is Kadafis.
Hi, my name is Nikisha, and I'm gonna say hello in Sinhalese. Ayubowan.
This week's SWPBS goal in Nepali is: we work independently when directed, we are quiet while others are working. In addition, हुँदा हामी स्वतन्त्रमा काम गर्छौँ, अरूले काम गरेको हामी शान्ति हुन्छ।
Hello there everyone. Well, it's time for another giggle. Why can't you give Elsa a balloon? 10 seconds thinking time. See if you can work it out. All right, the joke was, why can't you give Elsa a balloon? Because she will let it go. I hope you like that, and I hope that song's not stuck in your head for the rest of the day. Have a great week, everybody, and I'll see you again for another giggle soon.